Samsung users are ignoring these 7 insane features. You already paid for them. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful Samsung Galaxy features that are already on your phone. Some of these are classic, some are newer, but all of them can seriously improve how you use your device and help you get your money's worth. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Alright, let's get straight into it. Begin with creating smart checklists in Samsung Notes. You're at the supermarket, you know you need milk, but what else? Eggs, bread, pasta? Or maybe you're at work juggling tasks, messages, and meetings, and suddenly everything feels unorganized. Samsung Notes isn't just for writing, it has a built-in interactive checklist feature that works even on older Galaxy phones. To use it, open Samsung Notes and tap the plus icon to create a new note. Tap anywhere to bring up the keyboard, then tap the checkbox icon next to the text tools. Now start typing your list. Each new line automatically gets a checkbox. Once you're done, tap back, give the note a name, and save it. This reduces mental stress, keeps everything organized, saves time, and honestly makes daily life smoother once you start using it regularly. Then try auto-framing in video mode. Samsung's auto-framing feature uses AI to keep people or objects centered while recording. This is available on many Galaxy phones that received One UI updates. To turn it on, open the camera app, switch to video mode, tap the 4-dot menu, and enable auto-framing. Once enabled, the camera zooms out slightly and automatically tracks faces or objects. You can also tap on an object to lock focus, and the camera will follow it as it moves. This makes your videos look more professional, saves editing time, and feels like having a smart camera operator built into your phone. Also, smarter battery usage breakdown. Your phone battery starts dropping faster than usual, even when you're not using it much. You might think the battery is damaged, but most of the time, it's actually 1 or 2 apps running quietly in the background. How to check it step by step. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Battery and Device Care, tap Battery, now tap Usage since last full charge. Here you'll see a full breakdown of which apps are using the most battery, whether they're running in the background, and how long they've been active. If you spot an app draining too much power, tap on it and choose Restrict Background Usage or Put App to Sleep. Do change system fonts. After a while, your phone starts feeling boring. Same font, same look, same style. Samsung allows you to change the system font even on older Galaxy devices. To do this, open Settings, go to Display, then tap Font Size and Style. From here, you can choose built-in fonts, adjust font size, and enable bold text. If you want more styles, tap Download Fonts, which opens the Galaxy Store where you can download free fonts. Settings, notifications, menus, and apps. It makes your phone feel fresh again, improves readability, and helps personalize your device. Stranger Things themes and wallpapers. If you're a Stranger Things fan, Samsung actually offers official themes and wallpapers even on older devices. To find them, open the Galaxy Store, tap Search, go to Themes, and search for Stranger Things. Scroll through the available wallpapers and themes, choose one you like, download it, and apply it to your lock screen or home screen, or both. It's not essential, but it gives your phone a fun, unique, and premium look that really stands out. Tap Indicator for screen recordings. If you've ever recorded a tutorial, you've probably seen comments like, "Where did you tap?" or "I missed that part." Samsung has a hidden feature called Show Taps, available through Developer Options. To enable it, open Settings, go to About Phone, then Software Information, and tap Build Number multiple times until Developer Mode is enabled. Go back to Settings, open Developer Options, scroll down, and turn on Show Taps. Now, every time you touch the screen, a small circle appears, making tutorials and screen recordings much clearer, perfect for YouTubers, teachers, and anyone recording demos. At last, we have Smarter Settings Search with Registar. If your device supports Good Lock, you can improve this with Registar. Open the Good Lock app, scroll down, and open Registar. Tap Search Options, then Display Policy, and change it to Accuracy. Now, when you search inside Settings, results are cleaner, more precise, and easier to find. This saves time, reduces frustration, and is perfect for power users. So, those are 7 Samsung Galaxy features that can seriously improve your phone experience, even if you're using an older device. If this video gave you value or you learned something new, please like the video. It helps YouTube recommend this to more Samsung users. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.